doing, Eden? Here we go. Off-roading by the beach. Through these mud holes. Today we are here at Playa Buye and we're going to take the kayak out onto the water. The water is a little rougher than it often is here, but we're still going to give it a go. It shouldn't be too bad. We're going to try to go all the way around the Guaniquilla Reserve and see what we can see. Depends how bad the waves are, but we'll try to keep you informed how it goes. We've been paddling a ways, but we're fighting some kind of major waves, and so I think we might paddle back to where we started, which is down there at those little yellow house. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, that's far.
The water is really vibrant blue, just a little bit more choppy than it usually is out here. Maybe on a more flat day we could take it a little farther. But, what do you think, baby? You like it? Jump in. He's strong enough to pull himself back in, too. I don't know if I can do that. Let's see. Can you do it, Bubba?
Yeah.
Jump on in. Whoa. Got it. Good job, babe.
So we've got our craft landed safely. We found a nicer beach that's nice and soft, white sand, beautiful out here, and mission complete.
Punta Guaniquilla.
So I can get under.
Come this way. Oh, well, you can go under, I guess. That's one way to get in. The other way is right through here. Voila.
I don't think they want cars.
So then this is where you can go from here. Laguna. So we started at Buye up there, and we went to probably about here because we were right outside of what they call Eden before we turned around. But we'd have to go all the way around here and in there to get into the lagoon. Maybe when the day is not so wavy. The cutest little corner that we're just kind of hanging out eating our lunch. We got off of our kayak. Beautiful day. A little wavy, but it's just perfect. Slightly cloudy skies. we go. Off-roading by the beach. Through these mud holes. Stay down, Aiden. Keep down. Already in the water, I think I'll join him. How's the water?
Pretty good. Nice out there. I like it. A little wavy, but it's fun.
Aiden's liking it. Some of the biggest waves I've ever seen on this beach before. Usually this beach is really known for being super placid, almost like a pool, but today the waves have come up so much, it's come all the way into the main area. Chinchoreo va a Buye. So as we're driving home from Buye in Cabo Rojo, we saw the sun is setting right over Isla Ratones. Beautiful. Aiden, look at Mama.